really don't like this hallway. Just have me talks.
So, a haunted mansion, no big deal, right?
For him, a big deal. For me, a Tuesday.
See? Totally fine. Nothing to worry about.
Library, find that artifact.
The metal man is looking. He's definitely looking at us.
He's shy. Don't stare. You'll make him uncomfortable.
It's gonna get us! I knew this was a bad idea!
Excuse me. We're on a schedule. Can you haunt somewhere else?
Boo! What is happening? The room is broken!
The artifact causes illusions. The ghost is just the guard dog.
We have to get out of here! The Vass is gaining on me. Run faster! We're gonna die!
It's merely structural reorganization.
I'm okay! This is all okay!